Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to do an update video to let you know the winners of the AirPod protectors giveaway. Keep watching to find out if you've won. Okay, so a little while ago we received these from the guys over at the Spinning Deal, and I just said in the video that we'll be giving these away to some lucky viewers or subscribers. So we're going to go through now and I'll show the names of the subscribers who have won on the screen right now. So if you are a lucky winner, contact me in the comments section below or on Discord server, or just send me an email and we'll get these out to you as soon as we can. So here is a list of the winners.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so we've had winner for the black, the gold, the silver, and the red protectors, but nobody seemed to be interested in the pink ones. So if you want the pink ones, let us know in the comments section below, and the first person to comment that wants the pink one, I'll send them out to you. So don't forget to put it in the section below, and hopefully we'll get them out to you as soon as we can. For all the rest of you, don't forget, contact me as soon as you can, and we'll get these put in the post to you as quick as possible. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already to the channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the chime button, all that kind of stuff. But in the meantime, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for entering.